Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to synchronize iPhone photos to Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. Then click at your profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. Click turn on backup, then select storage saver or original quality and click confirm. You can also do this if you go to the Google Photos settings, backup, and you just enable backup here. Then make sure that your backup account is your current account. As you can see, I have two accounts here. So if you select another one, just tap at this account and then select your. Also go to backup quality and right here you can also change the original quality to storage saver or storage saver to original quality. And now, so if we open my gallery, as you can see I have two photos in one video. And now let me I need camera. Yeah. Okay, so let me make some photo. Let's say this one. And as you can see, I have it in the gallery. And if I return to Google Photos, as you can see, it automatically uploaded to Google Photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!